Part 2! Guys, this is part 2. Hello. So, Darlung is very good. Hello, Darlung. Who's that? He's President of America. Hello, Joe Biden. Hello, Joe Biden. No, that's Trump. Toot, 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 toot. Hey, you, don't press that button until I say so. Oh, vacation is over, guys. We're watching match. Ah! What? Where's Darlung? Where's Darlung? Finally, he got out. Darlung, you're bullying us. So that's what you deserve. 1 minute. Ouch, 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 ouch. No! Not this again. Because of this. What? I should have gone there. I forgot. Wow. 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 Very good. Ah. Bad game. Go on timeout. Timeout. You're grounded. Oh, where's Zimmy? Where's Zimmy? Hey, Zimmy. Where are you, Zimmy? Zimmy. Zimmy, but my boy. My boy, Zimmy. Okay, Zimmy's so... What happened? Okay.